mga kalalabs! Kamusta po kayo ulit? Welcome back to another vlog. We are leaving now. Bye, Nicolette.
Bye, Nicole.
Bye, Nicolette. Message us all the time, okay? Yeah. Okay, behave. Make sure you don't...
I'm gonna miss you so much. Dada.
You don't drive Krishna's crazy, okay? Because, you know...
Crazy.
Yeah, she's gonna get worried and everything like that. So you better behave.
Oh, how's she gonna get out?
I can message her and no, she can get in. Nicole is here, but she can message me or she can still,
Does she have
yeah.
your message? No, but does she have your
yeah.
phone number? Can you imagine?
And she can still message me because our flight is 4 p.m. so she can call me and I let her in.
Okay. Make sure you guys have Adamo's number.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think Krishna has it.
Just in case.
Okay.
You never know. Watch for leaks.
Yung
You know, turn off water off in the bathroom and stuff. You really had to, right? But, you know.
yung Adamo is yung manager dito sa building namin. So, kailangan alam nila yung phone number if ever na may emergency. Especially yung mga yung may tumulong tubig, ganyan. So, they will know who's they gonna call.
Who are you gonna
Who
call?
are you gonna call? Ghostbuster.
Bye.
Bye, Nick.
Love you. Oh,
I'll message you later.
My cat.
Babe, your backpack, you forgot.
oh yeah, my cat too.
Oh, where's Ube?
Oh, Ube. I gotta say Ube. Goodbye to Ube.
Kanina ko pa, hinahag si Ube. Bye, Oops! I cannot hold you anymore because my clothes is black. Kaya hindi nakita. Mama, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Lab. Okay, bye, Nicole. See you soon, okay? Okay, bye. Okay, let's go, mga kalals. Magtitake kami ng Skytrain ni Papa Dib. Airport na kami, mga kalalabs. So ngayon, punta na kami ng security kasi pangalan nito, check-in na kami online. Nakapasok na kami dito sa airport, mga kalalabs. So we are having our lunch. So nag-order ako ng iced coffee. And then, we have this smoked salmon sandwich. Yung kay Papa Di burger. Ito siya, oh. O, diba? Hindi na nagsawa sa burger. Sa sandwich. Ay, sa salmon. Ayan, kain po tayo. Smoked salmon. How is this one? Is it good?
Is it good? I'm sorry, you don't have any vegetables. I guess yours doesn't come with vegetables. I thought you just wanted smoked salmon. I just thought you would have wanted it. But we can do half-half of each.
I just don't like that raw onion.
Oh, because I knew you like cream cheese and capers and all that, so.
Yeah, but that onion is not my... Hindi ko bet ang red onion sa...
Well, this is really good.
Sige?
Mmm.
Yum. Ayoko ng raw onion. I can have pickled onion, but yung raw na ganito, di ko bet. Matapang siya. Alam nyo ba kanina, yung papunta kami ng security. So bago ka pumasok ng security, kasi i-check nila yung luggage mo or yung basta security. Bago ka papasok dyan, meron pang isang security na mag-check ng boarding pass mo bago ka makapasok ng airport. Alam nyo ba, niloko niya kami. So, sabi niya, okay, where's your boarding pass? And then, he scanned our boarding pass. And then, he told us that one is going to London and one is going to Switzerland. And then, we're like, what? What is that? It's not true. Like, tinitignan ako nung security. Sabi niya, it's a joke. Sabi ko, saan tayo pupunta? Huwag kaibang lugar yung pupuntahan natin. Kakaloka. Joke time pala siya.
Where are they?
For a big sandwich, love. Laki naman ng sandwich ni Papa Lim. Mmm! Walang nasabi ko din. Wait.
Better than Tim Hortons.
They don't have in Tim Hortons. Oh, they have Tim Hortons here?
Oh, that's weird, eh? You think they would?
A&W. Boarding time! Boarding time mga kalalabs. Na-late lang ng konti yung flight namin, pero it's all good. Let's go!
Let's go!
Touchdown, Switzerland! Hello, love. You okay?
Switzerland, Touchland.
Oh my gosh, we're here, mga kalalabs. So, are we taking train or
We're gonna walk. 'Cause
We're gonna walk?
everything's So expensive.
we're in the most expensive country, right, in the world?
Those were the nicest officers, by the way, weren't they?
I know, yeah.
They were just smiling and happy
Yeah.
or whatever. And
They asked me actually. They asked me how many days we're staying here, or
and then you said 4 instead of
Yeah.
10 in Europe.
no, I mean like we're going to different places. So
Oh,
4
yeah.
here, and then we're going to Milan, Nice, and then
Oh, yes.
Prague, and then we're going back here to take the, you know. Okay, we are going to our hotel, mga kalalab. So it's already 11:30? 11:30. So wala akong masyadong tulog, but that's okay. I am so excited to explore Zurich town. So, ayun. We are going to take train or taxi. I don't really know.
Taxis don't exist here. Do not think of taxis.
Taxi is very expensive.
We're gonna go,
Okay. So, gamit lang si Papa Dib ng, ng bathroom. And then, saka tayo magte-take ng train. Bumibili lang kami ng ticket, mga kalalabs. What's the number? Like 100 something. Yes. Excited, love?
Hey, welcome.
Yeah. It's a beautiful day as well.
This is true. Although I heard it's gonna rain later.
Yeah, later. But anyway, we have umbrella. We brought our umbrella with us. Look at that, the train. I think the first thing we will do, mga kalabs, pag dumating kami ng hotel, so sana makapag-check-in na kami kaagad para makapag-shower and then makalabas kaagad. Kahit na wala tayong tulog sa airplane, it's okay. Kasi kailangan nating mag-adjust sa time at saka yung body clock ba na tawag. Do you need one more coffee, love? Yes daw. And by the way, mga kalalabs, yung namin, yung aming train tickets, yung mga prices lalagay ko na lang dito sa screen. And then yung sa mga hotel, ganyan, I will try my best na i-share din kung magkano yung hotel namin. Itong pag-i-stayhan namin ngayon dito sa Zurich. I also put that in our, I think I will put it on the description below if ever, or dito sa screen. So I'll try my best, no, mga kalalabs, and try ko din yung best ko na mag-share ng mga prices dito sa Switzerland kasi I heard that this place is a very expensive place to a very expensive place to visit. So, let's see. Yung ticket naman ng train ticket, hindi naman siya ganoon kamahal. It's fine. So, hindi pa kami pwedeng mag-check-in, mga kalalabs. So, naghilamos lang ako dito sa bathroom. Nag-ready lang ng slide. Basta nag-toothbrush, naghugas ng face para kahit papano is mawala yung utok. So, ita-drop off lang namin tong luggage namin yan sa may reception, and then we will go out for a walk. Kasi yung check-in is around, what time is the check-in, love?
2
2 p.m.
3
3 p.m. So, what time is it?
What?
1 p.m. So,
We're lucky. Lucky it's not 7.
I know. Okay. Iwan lang namin yung luggage namin. And then, labas tayo. Ang ganda nitong hotel na to, mga kalalabs. Pwede ka magtambay lang dito. Hanap tayo ng coffee shop, mga kalalabs. Kasi kailangan namin ng kape. Alauna pa lang. So, hindi kami pwedeng matulog. Kasi kung matutulog kami, masisira yung ano namin. Yung body clock ba. So, kailangan i-walk-walk namin yung ano. Yung mga ano din. Yung parang ipagpag mo din yung masakit na buto-buto mo. Tsaka laman-laman mo dahil nakaupo ka ng 10 hours sa eroplano. So, this is a really nice place to walk around for now. Malapit lang tong ano na to, itong street na to sa hotel namin. And look at this, mga kalalabs. Oh.
Do we need any curry powder?
Taran!
Hi.
Oh, hi. Oh, hi. How are you? No, we're just looking. Yeah.
So here in Switzerland, water is free. And it's clean, and it's drinkable, and it's everywhere. And these are ancient, it's from 1887. But this water has
1887.
been running through here clean, and you can drink it.
Nice. Oh, I'll try.
Try
How
it.
is it?
It's a fountain of youth. You will be younger once you drink it, is what they say. Wow, you look younger already.
It's too hard to drink, crazy. Okay, we found our coffee shop here, mga kalalabs. Oh. We just need to find the entrance.
It's an entrance fee.
Entrance fee. May coffee shop dito, and then the coffee shop is like a playground. So, playground and coffee shop. So, let's try.
Okay.
Let's try the first coffee here in Switzerland. Nakahanap na kami ng aming uupuan at kape. Ito yung prices ng mga coffee nila. Let's have our first coffee here in Switzerland, mga kalab. So, I ordered cappuccino. Si Papa, di bang in-order niya ano lang, regular coffee espresso with milk. Cheers, love.
Cheers.
Our first coffee. Finally, mga kalalabs, nakapag-check-in na kami. It's already 2:48 p.m. At tayo po ay mag-quick room tour. So, our hotel is, yung pangalan niya is The Home. So, I will put all the details here at the description below. Try ko din, mga kalalabs, no, ilagay yung price dito. So, The Home. So, ano to, malayo to sa mismong town ng Zurich. So, I think 30 minutes walk from here to the town. So, ang plano namin ni Papa Di mamaya is magdi-dinner kami sa town. Mag-iikot-ikot lang ng konti doon and then we will be back to our hotel. But this hotel is closer to the mall. Pag sa baba, andyan lang yung sa across the street is mall na kaagad. So, sobrang accessible siya. Even though wala dito yung talagang tourist spot. But that's okay kasi alam mo yun. Okay din na malayo tayo sa tourist spot or sa town para ma-experience din natin yung ibang part ng Zurich, di ba? Kasi kung doon lang tayo, ma-stuck tayo doon. And then, on top of that, there's a lot of hotel also sa town. Kaso nga lang, mahal din siya. This one is expensive already. And it's farther, pero much better kasi maganda yung rooms, maganda yung hotel. Pero pag sa may kayo, sa may mismong tourist spot, medyo pricey siya. So, kunyari ito, 500 Canadian dollars, diba? Kunwari yon. And then, dun sa, kung gusto niyo ng mas magandang hotel sa mismong tourist spot, dun sa area na yon, maybe around 700? Is that right, love?
Well, it's 700, or you can get cheaper. There is cheaper, but then it's just not as nice.
Yeah. So, ayun. So, hindi siya ganun kaganda. So, buti na lang ito, nakita namin siya. And then, we just need to sacrifice na, alam mo yun, maglalakad kami papunta dun sa town. So, let's do a quick room tour. Siyempre, pagpasok mo, ang unang bubungad sa'yo, bathroom. Ito yung bathroom. Shower, tapos nakahiwalay yung
Yung alam nyo na, yung toilet bowl. Tapos ito yung hugasan ng kamay ng face la. And then, dito naman is yung ating bed. Meron tayong coffee machine here. Buti na lang may free coffee. And our bed is actually really nice. Napaka ano niya. Is that a twin bed, love? Is that like...
They're all twin beds.
Yeah, sa Europe kasi, wala silang king size or queen bed. I don't know, ay hindi ko alam sa ibang hotel kung talagang mayaman na mayaman ka. At yung i-stayan mo is talagang 5-star hotel, maybe it's a queen size bed. I just don't know. But every time na pupunta kami ng Europe, kind like a single bed, tapos pagdidikitin lang nila para maging ganyan, kalaki, queen size bed. They love sofa here, so everywhere you go, punta ka sa bathroom, doon sa lobby, it's all sofa, something like that. And then may mirror din tayo dito. Hello, kay Mami Faye na wala pang ligo. Maliligo ako. And then we have a window here. The view is, wala lang. Semento. Okay, yan yung ating, room. Sana, brighter yung ilaw. Kasi medyo dark yung ilaw nila dito. Let's try na i-turn on yung ibang ilaw. Baka may brighter color. Kasi yan, sobrang, napaka-yellow. Parang ang dark. Okay, so mag-edit lang ako ng vlog para may mai-upload ako. And then, maliligo. And then, lalabas tayo ulit mamaya. Naka-ready na tayo mga kalalabs. Labas na po tayo. Alam nyo, hindi na nag-work tong aking hair iron. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. Nasira yata. Ayaw naman na mag-on. Ito pa naman yung dinala ko. Kasi 'di ba yung curling iron ko, malaki siya. Hindi ko na yun pinalit. Sabi ko okay na to kasi magagamit din ni Nicole kasi mahaba yung hair ni Nicole. Kaya hindi ko na siya pinalit. Sabi ko magdadala na lang ako ng hair iron. Para kahit paano yung buhok natin is pag may fly away, may straight natin siya. Pero, ang nangyari naman ay, hindi naman na siya nag-work. Hindi ko alam kung dahil sa kuryente or electricity dito or naisaksak ko naman sa different Ito, sinaksak ko dyan. Sinaksak ko dun sa may office area tapos dun sa bed. Dun sa malapit sa amin, the side table. Kasi hindi siya nag-work. I don't really know. Try natin to mamaya. But, yeah. Ba't tayo magagawa? Okay, we are going to the town now.
Let's go to the town now.
And then, kakain tayo. What should we have for dinner today, love? Cheese. Cheese Louise.
Cheese and chocolate.
Cheese and chocolate.
Let's go before it rains.
I know. Oh,
bring
don't
our
forget umbrella, okay? Let's bring our umbrella. Kasi kailangan ng ating umbrella, B. Tanggalin ko na lang yung mga nakasaksak dito. Baka ano pang mangyari. Let's bring umbrella. Nasa labas na kami, mga kalalabs. Alam nyo ba ang gusto ko sa Europe? Is yung mga old buildings nila. Sobrang gaganda lang talaga. Excited na ako makita ang Zurich town o yung tourist spot kasi doon talaga makakita tayo ng magagandang building. And then, gutoms nami. So, sabi ni Papa Dave, we will have schnitzels. Is that right?
I would love some schnitzel.
Hindi ko alam kung na-pronounce ko po yan properly, no? Schnitzels. Alam nyo, and then today pala is Sunday. And then, a lot of shop is closed. Sarado yung mga dito. Yung mga store. Pati restaurant yata. Did you check if they're open, love? The restaurant that we're going for dinner?
No.
Oh my God, why?
Of course I did.
Imagine, pupunta kami doon, magwo-walk kami, tapos biglang wala, sarado. Ayun. Walk pa more. gaganda ng mga shop dito, mga kalalabs. Kaso nga lang, walang bukas eh. So, hindi tayo makakapasok. Wala ka bang friend? Nag-isa ka lang dyan. Laki niya no, mga kalalabs. Ang clear pa ng water. Para kang nananalamin o nakikita niyo yung talagang nasa sa ilalim.
We got fondue.
Fondue! Our first meal here in Switzerland. Tapos nag-order din kami ng schnitzel. Ayan, tapos vegetables and bread para dito sa cheese. So, ayan, kain po tayo. So, medyo mahihirapan ako mag-vlog mga kalalabs kasi may malapit yung table na katabi namin. Kaya medyo naiilang ako mag-vlog. But anyway, let's try this our first fondue. Gulay yung pinili ko kasi kailangan namin ng gulay. And then may kasama na rin siyang bread na ang dami-dami. Ito dapat yung tinatry pag pumupunta daw kayo ng Switzerland. So you must. Can I have? Yeah, thanks love. You must try to do fondue. Actually, this is my first time, love. First time. What's that?
My first time too.
Yeah, kain po.
Was that California?
Yeah, LA, PLS.
Yay or nay?
It's good. It's not strong. Maalat siya, but that's okay. Cheese is like that. May pagka-maalat siya, but that's okay.
That's where I thought I remembered Richard Lane.
We need bread.
We also gotta try chocolate fondue.
Oh yeah, chocolate fondue. Di bali kasi 4 days naman kami dito.
You remember night one is? Two rock stations. So that was
Sarap.
every Thursday.
That schnitzel. We got that fondue.
Pabalik na kami sa hotel mga kalalabs. Na-enjoy namin ni Papa Dave yung aming dinner. Sobrang nakakatuwa lang kasi na-try mo yung fondue, schnitzels. Nakakatuwa. Ano binibidyo? May binibidyo si Papa Dave. Ngayon naiiwan siya kaysa sa akin, no? Kasi dati ako naiiwan eh. Meron siyang kinukunan ng video. And umaambon na. Buti na lang may umbrella ako mga kalalabs. Yung nabili ko sa Korea. Ito siya, oh. Tay lang. Pakita ko. Kasya pa dito sa bag ko na maliit. Kasi maliit lang talaga to eh. Ito siya, oh. Hindi dala ni Papa Dib yung payong niya. Ako may dala akong payong. Handa tayo dyan. Ganda naman ang mga bag na to, oh. Silin na bag. And by the way pala mga kalabs, yung price ng dinner namin, meron kaming isang fondue. Tapos yung side namin dun sa fondue is vegetables. And then meron kaming schnitzels and 1 beer kay Papa Dave. It cost us 170 Canadian dollars. Yun po yung
175.
175, wrong pa sa 175 Canadian dollars po yung dinner namin ni Papa Dave. So kung tatanungin niyo ako kung mahal ba talaga sa Switzerland, mahal po. Totoo ang chismis. Hindi po siya mura, mahal po siya. Pero as what I said earlier, or nasabi ko ba sa inyo na, minsan lang tayo pupunta dito, kaya enjoyin natin. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-complain sa presyo. 'Di ba? And sobrang grateful lang kasi hindi natin akalain makakarating tayo dito sa Switzerland. And I am super excited na i-share pa sa inyo yung ibang places na pupuntahan natin. Kaya ayun, patikim pa lang tong Zurich. Next will be Lucerne and then Bern. Meron pa kaming isang buong araw tomorrow dito. And then the next day will be Lucerne. Am I right, love? So, Lucerne yung susunod sa Zurich. Zurich, Lucerne, and Bern. So, ayun. Anyway, mag-e-end na rin ako ng vlog mga kalalab. Sana po ay na-enjoy nyo yung ating pa-travel dito sa Zurich, Switzerland. And we will see you on our next travel vlog. I love you all. And stay safe and always be kind. Bye, love.
Bye, love.
Bye!